Okay, I am such a huge fan of this company, Label Land. These are these clothing. Check this out. This is so absolutely cool. I've got my son's name on these clothing labels. They kind of misspelled my name, but that's or my son's name, but that's okay. These are so cool. I mean, they absolutely. Look how many I got, too. I mean, these are absolutely amazing, easy to tear, and they are so awesome. You can tag pretty much anything with these, any product. Really, really high quality, and just super, super organized and neat. You can literally, it comes, so let me take one off here. And what you do is you take the sticker off, and what you're going to do is you're going to tag whatever you have. It can be food, it can be clothing, it could be, see that says mom and dad on it, if I can fix the focus. Yeah. So you have pretty much, all of these different types of labels that I absolutely just totally love. AirPods you can label. It comes with, all the kind of a beautiful guide. You can see that you can label your AirPods, you can label your phone, food, clothing, toothpaste, toothbrush. Perfect for travel, perfect for parents. Cannot recommend this enough. You can tell they're really made with high quality and craftsmanship. And it's just a cool company and just one of those gifts. I think it makes a great gift. It's a great utility and economically sound product as well, but I think it makes a cool gift too. Something different. And it's a really, really great company. So it's premium grade materials. Cannot recommend this company enough. Highly, highly recommend.